to show you a pretty cool project that we in Cloud has developed over the last couple of years. It's called Oxygen HQ. Thank you. So just to give you some background, so we all live in pretty fast-paced world when software suddenly developed every week, 2 weeks basis, instead of being developed once in a year or 1 to 2 years. This is what we used to have 10 years or 20 years ago, right? So when we need to release software at such a fast pace, we also have to test fast, right? And testing fast is a big challenge today. Okay, so if you're a manual tester, especially if you test mobile apps, then you know that it's endless work. So you obviously have all your test cases, but on top of it you have tens and hundreds of different models of mobile devices or screen resolutions you need to test. Even in browser space, it starts to be quite crowded. Like you have different versions of Chrome to test, Safari, and so on. So this is a really tough job. And software testing has been so challenging in the last probably 5 years, right? So today I want to present you a project which will really help you to streamline your automation testing. Before that, let me just mention 2 projects that we are based on. So first is Selenium, and second is Appium. So both projects are, I believe, well known, right? So Selenium is web automation testing engine, largely supported today by Google, and Appium is a mobile testing engine, largely supported by SalesLabs and commonly used by many Silicon Valley companies. So those are 2 great projects. I think there is almost every company today wants to use these tools to build their automation up. But the problem is that those are developer-oriented tools, right? So writing Selenium and Appium is not easy. You need to have coding skills, you need to have a good web or mobile skills, and you need to spend usually a couple of months writing a framework, and then only then you can start writing automation test scenarios. So this is obviously takes a lot of time. Now, as I mentioned already, a lot of time is spent writing automation framework. And this usually takes, from our experience, a couple of months. It depends on your needs and what organization and what type of test you want to write. So it all takes a lot of time. And so you usually will end up using some existing framework and building on top of it different stuff. So today I'm excited to present you Oxygen. So Oxygen is an open source framework and development environment for QA engineers to work with Selenium and Appium. So Oxygen is fully built, 100% compatible with Selenium and Appium. That means you can use anything which you use or which other people use in Selenium and Appium, including running it on different hubs and different infrastructure, and being able to write tests for both mobile devices and web, and responsive web, so you can benefit from all the things that Selenium and Appium gives us on one side. On the other side, Oxygen allows you to write tests much easier. So you don't need to write frameworks, so you get out-of-box ready framework, enterprise grade, over 400 companies already using it. And on top of it, you also get a very simple to use authoring tool. Okay, so just to give you a few highlights, so we have what we call low-code approach. Low-code approach means that you can code if you like. Actually, it's based on Node.js, so you can code whatever you like. On the other side, you don't really need to code if you just want to create basic web or mobile tests, right? So if you just want to create a regular flow, clicking some place, entering some tests, adding some validation, you don't really need to code, okay? So this is combined approach which combines the simplicity and power. So on one side, simplicity to allow for different types of testers to be able to create automation tests, and also to focus more on how you create test scenarios, good test scenarios, rather than how you create frameworks and things around. And on the other side, powerful, so if you want to do different things, like testing your voice or analyzing a picture or anything like this, you can still do it. using Node.js. Okay? So this is our guidelines when we created this tool. Another thing is best practices like page objects, data-driven testing, assertions, and so on. It's all been in the tool. And of course, parallel testing, zero setup, working with your local infrastructure, with your cloud infrastructure, and advanced test results. One of the powerful things in Oxygen is that it's modular, so it's much more than just web and mobile. You can test, for example, database connections, you can test APIs, you can test even IoT devices. So there is a wide variety of models that you can use in addition just to end-to-end testing. Now, just a question, quick question. Who knows why we call it Oxygen? Just a wild guess. We have some giveaways here from Israel. It's called Bamba, most popular stuff, especially among kids, but also adults. Who wants to get the name of Oxygen? Why Oxygen? Yeah? One moment.
Because it's so easy to allow me to breathe.
Cool, good answer. Lots. Okay, why else? There is one more reason, Oxygen. We have another one. Another tech. Why Oxygen? The hint is selenium. Okay, we will have another question. So the reason why Oxygen is first, it's so easy and you can breathe actually, especially if you work a lot with selenium and Appium. So it gives you some space. Another reason is because selenium is a chemical element, and oxygen is as well, so it's kind of a correlation. Anyway. Okay, so oxygen advantages, it's open source, you can create test fast by recording, you can utilize Node.js power, it has great debugging capabilities and playback, you can run it on any infrastructure, local and in the cloud, you have out-of-box parallel tests, so you can speed your testing, and actually you can test anything. As I mentioned, we have more than 8 modules, including API testing, database testing, and so on. So this is just a quick overview. Oxygen is coming in form of framework, and on top of it, Oxygen IDE. So Oxygen IDE is optional, you don't have to use it, but we do encourage you using it because it's so simple for testers. So here you can see an example of code. I will show you in a moment the live demo, so you can actually do recording for both mobile and web tests. Okay, and we have some popular commands, Selenium commands. It's very simple, very much Selenium compatible, and very much readable. You can see we have web model, and then we have some commands like pause, click, and wait. It's all has IntelliSense, so very easy to start, and we have great documentation. If you want to get started with Selenium, this is the way to go. We have also a command line tool, so if you want to run your test now from Jenkins or any other CI tool, it's very easy to do it. You simply install our CLI tools and you can very easily run your test. We have 4 different reporting formats, so you can create HTML, beautiful HTML reports, you can create Excel reports, JUnit XML reports, and Excel reports. Okay, you can also run the whole suite, so you don't have to run test by one, and we have much more features. For example, one of the cool features we recently added, you can load test with Oxygen. Okay, so you can take your UI test, and you create a massive load test just within a click. Very simple. Okay, so we will show you a quick demo. Just a moment. So, yeah.
Do you want to connect my computer?
Yeah, let's start. Is it okay? Will you do some technical work?
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Took a really cool, take a really cool.
Hi. I'm the QA guy, so it's very nice to meet you. So my name is Ron Damon. I'm the VP product in CloudBeat, and I'm going to show you a bit of a demo of what we're doing right now. So we'll show you two test cases in Oxygen. One is a web test case and the other one is a mobile test case. Both were recorded. I did not program anything, it was all recorded. Web was recorded through our web recording capabilities, and the mobile was recorded through Appium desktop capability. So let's go on. Okay. So you're going to see the screen here? I'll enlarge it in a moment. I just want to show you what you see here. So this is an Oxygen test case that I just recorded. And first question, a bumper question. So, what are the green lines here? Yeah, they commented, but what are they?
Page locators.
Good. I just want one more and you get both of these. So we have one more packet left. So, yeah, that's exactly what they are. You see the locators there? So once we record, we also provide you 4 other extra locators which you could use once the general locator didn't work. So for example, let's say IT download here. So it found this locator here, and then it provides you the XPath locator which you can replace. Instead of putting IT download, just replace this string and work just the same. So once things get skewed with your test case, you can always rely on the comments that just recorded once you did the test recording. So that's very neat, very easy. Sometimes saves your automation. Okay? So that's one thing. Let's just run it. Now you see 3 buttons here. The web automation. The second one is mobile automation. And the third one has... Okay, what's the third button? Do we have an extra button?
Yeah, we do.
What's the third button? It says mobile, but it doesn't put mobile. It says we have mobile. So the third button is responsive mode. So when you want to record and want to play a test case, you can actually simulate mobile devices through the F12 capabilities in Chrome and run the test case. Let me just show you how it looks. So first I'm just going to run this test case using Chrome. I could use, of course, any other browser, Firefox or Internet Explorer. Everything installed while you get Oxygen in. And then let's just run this test case. I'll go run this test case. Okay, so it's just going to open the ServiceNow website. Then you see the blue lines there. I'll show you it in a moment. It's just going to open the test. It's going to wait for the site to open. And only when it finishes loading, see it's still loading, only then it will continue to do some search and go out. So, this is a test case, these very simple lines. All the commands that Nafu mentioned, web.click, web.select, web.type, type for typing text, and things there, okay? Let's just run it in responsive mode. So I'll run it as if it's an iPhone 5. And it's going to open the website again, but this time it's going to run it as if it's an iPhone. And let's see if you see the bug. See it? That's an actual bug. I showed it to them. Okay, so they have a problem with the iPhone 5 when you open a website. The text gets smeared, and then it only gets okay. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Is that okay? I'm not a singer, sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Can you all hear me? Yeah. Cool. So that's the web. Let me just show you mobile now. So we'll take a test case that it's mobile. This is a calculator, right? So I just connect it to the calculator. I'll just download this. Just close the website, and I have the visor here working, and we can run mobile in a moment. Cool. So let's just run this test case. Now this is my actual mobile device. I'm just connected through Visor. It's going to show you my mobile device. It's going to start. It's going to open Appium in my desktop. I didn't install anything on my mobile device. Okay. So it's just going to do it's going to open my calculator. Just do 8 plus 7, then equals 15, and that's on my mobile app there. So we did mobile app as well. I pause for 3 seconds. Here you see I added the command mob.pause, just adds 3 seconds delay. Okay, so we saw web, we saw mobile, we saw responsive, all in the same tool. We didn't do anything else, we didn't have to install anything. The only thing you need for mobile is the Appium desktop, which you can download from our website as well. Now, this is where it becomes interesting. This is CloudBeats server. So once we use this, okay, let me just show you. Remember the ServiceNow test case I just did? Okay. I'm not going to show you everything. Okay. I'm just going to show you the same test case that we did in Oxygen on the calculators now in CloudBeats. So once I did that, I just took the script we just created. Okay. I put it here inside CloudBeat. Now I'm going to show you something very cool. Once you do this, you could connect that mobile device or mobile automation test case to any mobile device you want, either in your on-prem on your company. So the 2 top mobile devices are actual real devices you have. The rest, 133 devices, are devices from Genymotion. So you could scale up your automation, just run it over 100 test cases or 100 times through different mobile devices. And then you could actually select, let me just show you, you could select, for example, any different type you want, any Android version you want, or what have you, and then just connect yourself and then have, let's say, the same mobile device running. And once it does run, you go into the results. Let's show you a test case that failed. So I ran that one on, sorry about that, there's a bit of a delay. So I run this one, let's say, on Samsung Galaxy S9, right, with Android 8, and it failed. I failed it on purpose. And once it failed, I can actually drill down and see exactly what happened. So that's why. This was the reason that the commentator tells me they didn't find the element. You didn't find this error, whatever this mobile device. So I failed it on purpose. So you could actually add a test case, a mobile test case, then run it over 100 mobile devices. Whenever you find a bug, it'll just give you a fail, go in, drill down, see the snapshot of whatever you had on that mobile device, then go run it. Same thing with web. You could do it, same thing, it just gives you a screenshot of whatever you had on web to the test case. Does that make sense to you guys? So that's our demo. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we just saw the demo. Again, we have very little time left, so we didn't show you recording, but we are happy you download it. I will give you address and just try it out. So again, you can very easily record the test either through our Chrome browser plugin or just through Appium Desktop. The cloud that Eran shows you is basically cloud is our reporting tool. So first of all, Oxygen you can use for both local testing, create test creation, and final testing. But also you have, for every Oxygen user, you have free reporting engine which is called CloudBeat, which Eran just showed you. You can do things like we showed you, you can connect your, for example, Salesforce account or Perfecto account or Genymotion account, and then suddenly you can run parallel tests on hundreds of thousands different models with just one click, so you don't need to create slates of Jenkins and so on, which parallel testing is quite painful. Sorry?
Oh, it's not showing. Okay.
Cool. So, guys, this is some resources. So, if you want to download Oxygen, we have great documentation, also for beginners. So, you don't need to have any Selenium or Appium background. You can just get started from our video tutorials or written tutorials. Very easy to get started. So, those who want to download, please write it down. And I'm open for questions, guys?
Yeah?
Okay, questions? Yeah?
When it comes to the automated scenarios, how does it interact with modals and dynamic elements?
Right. So it interacts with it the same way as Appium does.
Just to repeat this for
Sure, go ahead.
So the question was, how will the automated tests interact with modals and dynamic elements?
Right. So it interacts the same way as Appium does. Okay, so we have a number of ways to interact with dynamic elements, either through writing some XPath, which hopefully will catch it, or ideally adding some IDs. So from this perspective, we are relying on Appium, backend. Okay. Cool. More questions, guys? Don't be shy.
It is Wednesday.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.